Acha, am I audible to you properly? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, properly.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am,
listen.
properly.
LCM and HCF by prime factorization already done. I completed in class. Yes, though. Okay. And those who are new student, just you have to see the video. Okay. And suppose after that you are unable to understand, again I'll explain. Don't worry. Acha. So right now in this chapter HCF and LCF by prime factorization I am not going to explain. Okay. Just I'll make a revision of that part. Today by long division method, first I'll explain HCF by long division method and LCM by division method. That is, division method means that is we have to take 3 or more numbers together and then how to do, not individually. Okay. So let me start it first today. Okay. Exercise A to completed. Now not by exercise B, exercise C, not in this way. First today I'll explain HCF by long division method and LCM by division method. Okay. Some questions, then again we'll move to the exercise. Understood though? Basically in exercise D and C, these two things are there. Okay. Acha, now let me share the screen. Okay, all of you are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are able to see this?
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Acha, now
Ma'am, it is coming black.
black.
Ma'am, but we can see.
Then it may be your network issue. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, the next page is sometimes heavy. Next page, ma'am, not first page.
Okay, okay. Now just don't worry. I'll explain. Okay. And look at this. I will annotate and explain it. Okay, don't worry. Now look at this. First one, HCF of this and this. Acha, basically how to find out the HCF by using long division method. Okay. Suppose the HCF of 161 and 345, it is given to. Always you have to divide long division method or division method, whatever. Basically by its name, you can understand the process. Okay. By its name. How? By division method. That means definitely we have to divide. So definitely we can divide a greater number by a smaller number. So the first rule will be, by the smaller number we have to divide the greater one. 345 here we have to divide by 161. Understood? This one up to this. The first rule.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
first step. Okay. The first step. Now just continue the division. Acha, how to continue the division? There is an interesting process. Look. By this, definitely it is 3. So we can multiply it by 2 and we'll get 322. Na? So take 2. Okay. By 2 we are, just wait for a minute. Let me take the pen. By 2 it will be 322. Okay. Now look at this. Normal division, it will be 23. Now what is the process? 23, here it is remainder. Yes, though. And the remainder, yes, and which is less than this 161. So how to continue the division? By this remainder, again we have to divide this 161. Okay. 161 is known as what? Dividend, divisor, quotient.
Divisor.
Divisor.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
divisor.
divisor.
Okay, now just look at this. So by this 23, again we have to divide this 161. Okay, and we have to continue the same process. Again, suppose we are getting the remainder, and that remainder definitely less than 23. Okay, so by that remainder, again we have to divide this 23, and we have to continue the process until we are getting 0 as remainder. Exactly. Until we are getting 0 as remainder. Again, I am showing you the full thing. Look at this. 161, it is 345 and 161. We have to divide this. By 2, we are doing this 322. Then it is 23. Now by 23, we have to divide 161. The same thing. By this remainder, we have to divide this one. Okay. The same process we have to continue until we are getting 0 as the remainder. Okay. Now by which number it will be divisible by?
I think 7.
7. Then
Yes,
by
ma'am.
7. Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am,
what?
7.
Yes,
What
ma'am,
will be
7.
there?
No
723.
remainder.
723 is
161.
exactly good. 161.
No remainder.
No remainder. Look, it is 0 is coming over there. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will stop here. Suppose here again in place of 0, 3 or 4 is coming remainder. Then again by this 3 we have to divide this 23. The process is clear though. The steps
ma'am,
are clear
clear.
to. Okay.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
clear.
When until to 0, we have to done the
Exactly. You have to continue the process. Now look, we have got 0. So we have to stop here. Now the mistake most of the student is doing, that is, what will be the HCF? Most of the student are writing the HCF is 7, not this quotient. Don't do this mistake, huh? By which we are dividing? By 23, so then only we are getting 0 as remainder. So this one will be the HCF, okay?
8. Last divisor, ma'am.
Understood though?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. We got it.
Okay, now this one is a very small type of question. Okay, let me give you one broad question. Okay, Acha, this one just let me show you the full screen.
Excuse me, ma'am, we have
Yes.
to do this.
Yes, you have to do this. This one basically is not from your textbook. Okay, these questions are from R.S. Agarwal book. Okay. So just complete this, huh? And during the exam, at the time of exam, also practice this type of extra question which I do in class. Okay.
And ma'am, you will not do the exercise C?
Yes, I'll complete it, beta. At first, let me explain these two things. Okay.
No,
By
ma'am, I
division
am
method,
failing.
HCF and LCM. No, I'll
No,
complete.
ma'am,
but... Okay. Now just
you
complete
have
it.
completed.
No, I have not completed. I will complete. I told no.
Oh.
Acha, now this one. That second question. Huh? First one, all of you done though?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Done.
now,
Ma'am, please wait.
Yes, ma'am. I have
No,
done.
ma'am. Wait for 3 minutes. Sorry, ma'am. 1 minute.
yes, only you have 1 minute. Okay. Now, definitely we have to divide this 783 by this 513. We have to divide the big number by the less one by the smaller one. Okay, so normal division here, even no need to make you understand. Nothing is there to make you understand. Look, by 1, then it is 513. Now look, the remainder is 270. Now this 270 is the remainder, that means less than this 513. So again by this remainder we have to divide this 513. Yes, though? Okay, by 1 it will go. Now 270 into 1, that will be 270. Again subtract it. Look, we are getting 243 as the remainder. Okay, we are not getting 0 as the remainder. Yes, to acha, mute yourself. Those who are talking. Okay, so 240 we are not getting 0. So again we have to continue the process. By this remainder, to which one we are dividing? To
Ma'am,
this one, 270.
551.
No,
No, 270.
270.
270.
And don't do this mistake. Or don't do again. By we have to divide to this 530. No, just one by
No,
one
ma'am.
step back. Okay.
No, ma'am, I am telling that, ma'am, in the second half, ma'am, in the second,
Okay.
that,
Acha, now just look at this. By 243 we have to divide 270 again by 1. Now look, the remainder will be 27. Again it is not 0, right? So again we have to continue the process. By 27, refer to which number we will divide by this 27.
যেগুলো যেগুলো গোল করে বোঝাচ্ছে ওগুলো গোল করো
Acha, mute yourself. 243. Good. 243. Understood? So look, here we are dividing it. Now by 9, it will be 243. Look, 927 is 243. Okay. It is totally divisible by 27. Now look, here the remainder we are getting 0. Yes, to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Acha,
Yes,
Ujan,
ma'am.
any doubt is there?
no, ma'am, but please wait.
No.
Ma'am, please
Yes,
wait.
I will wait. Don't worry. Acha, here 0 is coming. Yes. Just a response. 0 is here the remainder. So we will stop here. 0 is the remainder. There is no way to again continue the process. Now,
Okay, ma'am, done.
okay. Now what will be the HCF? Yes. This 27 or this 9? Which one? Look, always the HCF will be by which number we are dividing. Okay. Basically, HCF means what? Highest common factor. That means as we are dividing by this 27, so 27 is a factor of this. The quotient, we are not going to look at the quotient. Understood? So, by which number we are dividing 27, so it is a common factor of these two numbers. That's why this will be the HCF. So, all of you
Yes, ma'am, done.
done.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am,
Do
done.
it. Complete it fast.
I'm done. I have run.
I'm done.
Okay. Orgodip
Please wait.
Maji is there. Orgodip.
Yes, ma'am.
Orgodip understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Basically, you are also new student now. When I explained LCM HCF by prime factorization,